Buckingham Palace is just down there.
Okay.
This is called the Mall. So the Mall is where it's like a ceremonial ground as well, where they go, you know, like coronations, official events. The road is closed off, and then they take the carriage up and down this.
Oh.
I could have just run from there to here.
All right.
Remade, but
It's nice if you can, like, sorry, if you can get in the middle and then take a picture, because it's got all the flags either side.
But it's a busy road, right?
Yeah, so you run the risk of getting run over.
At your own risk.
There, there's
Like
a
walking
zigzag
area.
line.
That's okay. Which one already there? The very end. Buckingham Palace is all the way up there. Just a couple more walks. But this is the St. Ano yun? St. James Park?
St. James's Park. Yeah.
And then from here, do we go back or there's a route?
No,
like just go skip going?
What we'll do is we'll get on the train at St. James's Park.
Oh,
St.
okay,
James's
okay.
Park is a train station.
Okay.
Because it'll be too much to walk all the
Walk
way
back.
There is another place that we can visit over there called Trafalgar Square, but we'll come back next time.
Yeah. And the king is home because of that specific flag that's raised up there. That means the king is home.
Oh, really? Well, you're very welcome.
Wave.
Oh yeah, let's cross here.
All right. Okay.
Mind the step.
Do they also try to restore or
Yeah. They do. They cover this sometimes with scaffolding. But what they do is they put like an image of Buckingham Palace so that it doesn't look like scaffolding.
Yeah.
Yeah. They cover it with a picture of the building. Imagine all the tourists that come here and to be let down.
Oh, that's true. So if he's home, where did he? Saan siya dumaan?
He comes through the main gate, yeah, or sometimes they come on the side because that's where they keep their cars and the royal news. their cars and their horses.
Do they sometimes like announce, oh, he's coming this way, or nobody?
No,
it's
but then
discreet.
because there's lots of security,
Security,
it's
okay.
obvious.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then his car always has a flag on top, so you know that it's him.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
You know what golf buggy went that way? Came up from
People, yeah.
they're walking there.
They're all there, look, being golf buggies, picking people up. Yeah.
I was quite cute with that one.
What?
Down the boat.
Discover ko naman. Saan may titingin? Nakasabihin, oh, I want that. Gawing alipin.
Kain sa leon.
Pakain sa leon. Sabi nila very rare daw na nandito yung king. Sabi ko, binabaron tayo. Nandito ang salasa, ang nolar.
Okay. Yeah, Apple has a little one too over here. I think this one. Charles?
Before getting out of the taxi.
Oh!
Yeah, over,
Yes, thank you.
They've already left.
Taxi. Ni bossing.
3, 2, 1. Nice.
How long does it take? Because I forgot to get
From here, maybe, depending. Oh, this,
Hold it.
yeah, just. Smash it. Wait, just pull.
You go first. Where are we going?
Next time I'll help you to take it out.
Pikachu in China. Right. Wow. Chinatown here in London.
Chinatown in London.
In London. And
Here for
ang laki. Ganda.
Pacho is January yata eh.
February. Lalaki daw may tungkod. Tawa siya, oh. Baka ikaw...
Wala kayong kailangan?
Gusto ko mga bata ko sa mga ano?
going, Tita?
Ito.
Okay.
Leicester Square. We're going down here.